how to use a 3.5mm headphone with USB-C port without a headphone jack on the Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra. So what you need to do is grab yourself this adapter. This adapter will allow you to connect this 3.5 headphone to USB-C. So you can see here, if I plug it in and then we connect this adapter to the phone. This adapter are fairly cheap. You can get them for a few dollars. So purchase one of this, plug it in, and you can pick up call, adjust the volume. You can use the microphone on the headphone here. So let's test it out. Okay, so I can press on this button. So I can press on the button to pick up the call. If I press on it again. Okay, so there is a button here I can press that will allow me to pick up the call. I can adjust the volume. So I can increase the volume. I can press on the volume down button to adjust the down volume. Sorry, so here it works. So if I increase the volume and if I put on loudspeaker, I can test it. Testing, 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 testing. So it works with this headphone using this adapter. It also works for your music player as well. So if you're playing music, you can use it to adjust your music volume. Okay, there is also a button where you can press on it to end the call as well. Okay, so that is how you can connect this. You can see here I can change the volume. So if I unlock the phone, I can adjust the volume sound, and that's it. That's very straightforward. Just use this adapter and you can use the headphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.